Hey guys, it's your girl, Four Wheel Fitness, and I am here with a really great lower abdominal and really full abdominal exercise you can do with your skates to add a little bit of extra weight and give yourselves a little bit of a challenge next time you're doing your crunches. So we're gonna start by laying flat on our back with our hands behind our head. I'm gonna lift my feet up and I'm going to cross them right over left. And what I'm gonna do, slow and controlled, I'm gonna go down and I'm gonna raise my legs back up. I am keeping my knees a little soft so they're not buckled. And as I'm bringing them back up, I'm focusing on breathing in and out. And also keeping my skates about 6 inches from the ground. I don't want them to touch. And then what I'll do, after I do about 5, I'll cross, do the other side, right over left. So what that's gonna do, guys, is it's gonna work both of those legs, both of your hamstrings. Like, you're really gonna feel this in your hamstrings also, and in your lower abs and your upper abs as well. Again, slow and controlled movement, so you don't wanna go crashing to the ground. So go down as far as you can go. If that's right here, for right now, that's fine. You can make it more of a crunch. Or you can let your skates and your feet go all the way down as far as you can and lift them back up. And there you go, guys.